In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete shared chat files in Microsoft Teams. This is a simple and effective process that takes only a few minutes, and it's especially useful if you want to manage your shared data, free up space, or clean up old files that are no longer needed in your chats. To begin, open the Microsoft Teams application and sign in using your account credentials. You must be logged in to access and manage shared files. Once signed in, navigate to the specific chat where the file you want to delete is located. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Scroll through the chat history until you locate the file you'd like to remove. Files are usually shared as part of messages within the chat. Once you've found the file, hover your cursor over it. When you do, a small menu will appear with several options related to that file. Look for the icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on it, and you'll see a list of available actions. Among these options, select Delete. In some cases, you may need the right permissions to delete a file. For example, files you uploaded can usually be deleted by you, while files shared by others may only be removable by the person who uploaded them or by the chat owner. When you click Delete, a confirmation window may pop up asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Simply confirm your choice by clicking Yes or OK. The file will then be removed from the chat and it will no longer appear in the shared history. This process not only helps keep your chats organized, but also ensures that unnecessary files don't take up space or clutter your conversations. It's a good practice to be mindful when deleting, especially if the file could be important to others in the team. Always double check that it isn't something others may still need and consider keeping a backup if necessary. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a shared chat file in Microsoft Teams. With just a few clicks, you can keep your digital workspace clean and easy to navigate. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and practical tips on Microsoft Teams and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.